Hey guys, what's going on? Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy, coming to you from my home office near Seattle, Washington. All right, you guys, so I haven't been live in a long time, and I wanted to just come on here and see if anybody wanted to hop on and answer some marketing questions and see if, I've got a couple updates I want to share with you guys about marketing and see if you guys have any questions. I do have a big announcement for me. I hope you guys enjoy it too. My biggest announcement that I have is I have started a second channel. I've decided to keep Online Sales Funnel Academy is talking about all the different marketing processes. But as you guys know, I love ClickFunnels, which is a software program that I'm an affiliate for. And so I've started another YouTube channel. It's called Sales Funnel Academy instead of Online Sales Funnel Academy, where I'm going to be putting everything about ClickFunnels over on that channel, so as not to bug everybody on this channel about it, because I still want to be able to talk about different topics. So I'll be dropping a link in the description down below, and I'm going to be releasing content later on today over on that channel. It's brand new, so if you were to hop over there, it would be blank at the moment, but I'm going to be putting tons of videos about how to use ClickFunnels, what is a sales funnel, how to use it, all that good stuff over there, and keep this one more about marketing processes. So anyway, be on the lookout for that. So if you guys want to ever try ClickFunnels, I have an affiliate link, and when you click through my link, I become your coach. And so you're going to want to check that out over on the other channel, Sales Funnel Academy. All right, you guys. So what is going on? I want to change my view here so I can look. I'm going to keep an eye on the chat roll over here and see if I can't see any comments rolling through. I'm going to drop a little comment. Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so last week I posted a video. It was a client testimonial video. Hopefully you guys had a chance to watch it. It's my good friend Trina, who owns Aquaterra Pet Decor. I just got done for her first round of 90-day coaching with her, and we were able to generate lots and lots of leads for her. So it's super exciting, but I don't want to just tell you guys what we did. I want to be the kind of person who shows you what we did. But instead of her account, I'm going to show you one of my other brands that I'm doing the exact same thing for World Team Fitness. So Darren and I have a few brands that we run here. So Online Sales Funnel Academy is one of the primaries, and the other primary is called World Team Fitness. And I was going to show my screen here and show you guys what we did to generate a whole bunch of leads for my fitness brand, utilizing the power of Facebook marketing also. Okay, so you know what? Let me stop sharing my screen for a second. When I get it pulled up here, we'll get it going. All right, so the first thing to know is that I decided last year to finally invest in people who are really good at graphic design, which I am not good in. And it's not really my forte. Like, I kind of know how I want things to look. And if you guys have watched any of my October guide videos or my November guide videos, then you know that I try and publish content for my brands. And I kind of slacked off on the guides, but publishing works. So if you guys aren't publishing, things for your brand and getting physical and digital copies of items into people's hands that can help bring leads to you, that needs to be at the numero uno top of your list. So, okay, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you guys this is a PDF that I had a designer help me with. So to kind of put this into context, the people that I'm reaching out to are looking for clean eating. Okay, so they're looking to take better charge of their fitness, and something that everybody seems to be attracted to is either a list, a cheat sheet, or a guide, or something that could help them. Okay, so I came up with 20 gluten-free recipes, and that is our logo. That's our actual other company. And Darren and I went ahead and we came up with like a hello and a welcome, and we wrote a little manifesto, and that is our actual. And when I say we create a brand, I mean we legitimately licensed it with the state, and it is part of our LLC. So we went all the way with this. This is one of our full-blown brands that we're that we have kind of had rolling in the background for about 1.5 years. So as you can see, the graphic designer I had hired had gone through and was, it cost a couple $100 to get this done, you guys. And by all means, if this is your forte, then that would be something that you could do yourself. But I chose to outsource this because I don't have either the time to go learn how to do all this. I knew kind of what I wanted, and I explained it to her, and I gave her the recipes that I wanted. And the gal I had went out and found it, and she was really great, and she built all this from scratch. So I really feel like that this really is value. This is one of the best looking guides I've personally seen. Wasn't done super quick. And some people say, oh, put a guide together really quick, and that doesn't mean you can't have a good one that's really quick. But I really like the fact that we took our time and we had something of really high quality that people are going to connect with. And so what we did with this guide, and at the very end, let me get down to the end here because it's making me hungry actually. We get to the end somewhere, we went ahead and did a little disclaimer, and I need to update this so it has, follow us around the web. I think I put it higher up on page 2, but we definitely put a little disclaimer back here. All right. So, but no, this is ours. This is our logo. This is our resource guide. I paid the lady, she helped me make this. And I had a different person. Actually, we've experimented with the covers because I'm finding that different covers convert differently. And so what we did is we took this guide here, and I'm going to stop share for just a second and I'll show you. I'm going to pull it up. We started running Facebook ads in the news feed on Facebook and Instagram. And we are, looking for people who want to download our guide. And the whole goal of lead generation like this is once people download the guide, they enter into a sales funnel inside of my ClickFunnels account. And then we're able to get them on our email list. And I've been preaching about that nonstop on this channel since I started. So let me just get this all pulled up for you guys. So inside of my Facebook account, our World Team Fitness has its own ad account. And let's see, pull it up. Let me know, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are actively lead genning right now or anything like that. Let me drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have started that or not for your business. Or let me know if any of this inspires you to go start this for your business. That'd be a good one too. Okay, so I've almost got it pulled up here, you guys. So active. Okay. All right, so I'm going to bring up my stats here. Okay, so I'm going to go back, I'm going to share my screen. And what you're looking at here is inside of my Facebook account. Okay, so this is inside the World Team Fitness ad account. And what you're looking at I'm running a conversion campaign to the gluten-free guide. So the lifetime here, we've been running this for a couple weeks now. And as you can see, it's costing us, the lead cost is a little high. It's about $1.77 in total for the gluten-free guide, but we have two. We have a keto recipe book and we have the gluten-free book. And this one is costing us a little bit more, but it's literally almost converting at 70% opt-in rate, you guys. 70. And if you know anything about marketing, you'll know that 25 to 30 is really good. So 70 is kind of insane, but that's because we have a really great ad on the front of this that we're running. So I just turned this one on, you guys. So maybe while I'm still talking, some leads will start rolling through. But I'll show you briefly what the ad looks like on the front. Okay, so it's like, hey, when is the best time to start clean eating, right? And I put a picture of the gluten-free guide, and I put a little bit longer, ad copy on it. Told a short little story. Right here. Here's the ad. Okay, so people are going to read the ad, they come down here, and if this is appropriate to them, then they're going to hit the download, and it's going to take them inside of my ClickFunnels account where I've got the email capture and everything set up right here. And so once they click through to this, they have an opportunity to get on my list, and they instantly get the opportunity to download the guide. They then shoot over to my email list inside a Weber. Let me stop sharing for 2 seconds. I'll show you that. Okay. And once I can't show you their names. Well, hold on, let me make sure. Nope. Okay. Okay, so I can't, like I said, I can't show you their names or anything. I don't want to do that. That one, that's my name, but this is a zoomed up version. So once people go through ClickFunnels, their email information gets shot over here to Aweber. And inside of here, you can see we've got 315 people sitting inside of the gluten-free guide. And then we've got another couple, like 400 or 500 over on the keto recipe guide. So it's a really good way to, grow your email list. And by the way, my client, she just passed 1,000 over at Aquaterra Pet Decor. She passed, she's probably around 1,100 subscribers right now on her list. So if you just have something that people want, it solves a problem or a pain point, it's a really great way to, get leads to start coming into your business. And spend the extra couple bucks. If you're not able to do something like this, go ahead and spend the extra, if you have 100 set aside, go hire someone. I hired a stranger on Upwork, who I've, two people actually. One person did the guide and another person redid the cover later. And they've done a fantastic job with this. All right, you guys, so I'm going to stop share. I'm going to switch back over to the YouTube for a second and see if we have any comments rolling through, see if anybody has any questions about that, about the guides, about the Facebook. Check the chat roll. Doesn't look like anybody has any real questions at the moment. Okay, well, that was pretty much the biggest thing that I wanted to share at the moment. The other thing that I've learned is if you want to run I'm going to be doing a video later on about all the different ways you can run a contest to do lead generation. So that's coming. I want to make sure I have all my information squared up before I show you guys and share it with you. So anyway, well, all right, you guys, that's my video for today. I just wanted to share with you some of my marketing adventures that's been going on over on Facebook. And before I forget, we started Pinterest for World Team Fitness. So that is new for us. And I'll share my screen really quick. I had something really funny happen. This is a it's not uncommon to sometimes get kicked off of platforms, for different reasons. And we're always talking about making sure you've got your ducks in a row as much as possible. But what was funny is that I got kicked off of Pinterest before I even started. I went to set up my World Team Fitness account. And the minute I signed up, they said that my account had been suspended. And it freaked me out. I said, what the heck? Usually it's, usually I do something first. And then if I ever do it's usually an accident. Well, it turns out it was on their side. So make sure that if, you get suspended for something, make sure you legitimately fight it. And like I did, and we're legitimate business. And for some reason, they just accidentally had blacklisted our domain on accident inside their computer. So they turned it on and they gave us our account back. So, and we're off and running. So this is our Pinterest. We've just got 3 pins and I'm just slowly learning Pinterest. When I have more to share with you guys, I'll definitely do a training on it. Drop a comment down below and let me know if that sounds interesting to you guys. All right, you guys. Well, I'm going to get going. I've got some more things I got to go film for my other channel. So remember to join me on the other channel for our Sales Funnel Academy to learn everything about ClickFunnels. If you want to start a funnel and start learning how to lead gen and get more sales into your business. And otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one. So take care.